Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Check iPhone model, iOS version, and free storage so cloning won't fail. Next, make sure you're signed into your Apple ID with two-factor authentication active. This prevents account sync issues. Once done, download a reputable shortcut manager or a cloning app from the App Store, read reviews quickly, then open it. Now start the clone workflow inside the app. Follow on-screen prompts so the app can access necessary permissions. This gets you into the actual cloning flow fast. You now execute the cloning steps. Grant permissions the app requests, contacts, files, and notifications, so data transfer works smoothly. Then pick the target app to clone and choose between a straight duplicate or a custom profile. Custom lets you isolate data, which is useful for work versus personal use. Once selected, map data sources and tweak settings. Disable background refresh if you want separate battery profiles, or enable selective sync to keep accounts independent. Make sure to confirm each screen. The app applies changes immediately. To finish, test the cloned app thoroughly. Sign in, confirm data isolation, and verify notifications behave as expected. If something fails, don't panic. Restart your iPhone first, then recheck app permissions, and if needed, reinstall the cloning app. This fixes most glitches. If a sign-in conflict appears, log out of the original app briefly, then retry. Finally, maintain the original app unchanged while you evaluate the clone, and keep a backup so you can revert if anything goes wrong. This protects your data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.